Wrap your belt around the largest pulley first. Hold each side of the belt in each hand and don't let go. Wrap the belt in your left hand around the next pulley on the diagram. Hold it. Wrap the belt in your right hand around the next pulley in the diagram. Now you can let go of the left side and use both hands to wrap the belt around the next pulley. You'll notice that the grooved side of your belt matches up with the toothed pulleys as you follow the pattern on your diagram. Your pulleys should be holding onto the belt for you by now. Keep wrapping around your last few pulleys. Once you get to the last pulley, get your wrench and relieve the tension again to wrap your belt around the last one. I recommend not wearing gloves for more dexterity. It's okay if this last part is a little bit of a struggle. Look at the belt on each pulley. If you see any parts that are misaligned, press in on them and they'll pop into place.